So when we're looking at kinds of systems to trade or methods, I'm not using systems, it's just methods to trade. Call it a trading plan if you like. We've got to look at what each offers in their entirety and decide whether or not that suits us. Trend following. The major part of trend following is not an income. So you should have another income in the background. It's low maintenance, it's low cost. You get the positives of dividends working for you. You think about it. You're a short-term trader. What are you going to do? You're going to pay a lot of brokerage. You're going to spend a lot of time putting trades on. Time is money. You're never going to have dividends working for you. They're always going to be, you're never going to get them, so they're not going to be working for you. The broker is going to be doing very, very well out of it. I had these guys come to me a few years ago saying, Nick, we want to create a casino for what was called the DAX index or the Euro stocks, which is the big German index. Very, very liquid market. And they said, we want to do about 100 and 150 trades a day. Just take a point out of it, but do it all the time, all day, all day, all day. I said, well, we can probably do that. But for every 20 grand you make, your broker's going to make 150 grand. If you're okay with that, we can do it. And at first they were okay with that. So we spent the next 4 or 5 months developing this system, and when it just clicked, it goes, I should actually be the broker, not the trader, which is exactly right. So you can have these little things you've got to consider. Everyone wants to be a short-term trader. It's glamorous, it's good, but you have everything working against you. The brokerage, slippage, a major issue. Where you want to get in, where you really get in, is a real cost when you're a short-term trader. With a trend-following method, it doesn't matter. I bought realestate.com the other day. There was a signal on the growth portfolio. The stock traded closed at $6.25. I put a bid in the next day to buy it up to $6.35. So there's 10 cents slippage. Just happened to look at the screen later that afternoon, and I still wasn't set. So I thought, okay, bugger, I'll just pay $6.37. Now a short-term trader, that's their whole profit right there, gone. But because I'm looking for the next $2, $3, $4, $5 move, 10 cents here it's not an issue. So if you're going to go shorter term time frames, slippage, dividends, everything becomes a cost. So there's some of the things you've got to take a look at. Another important one there is patience. Many people don't have patience when it comes to following longer term trends. They get bored, they want action, they want things to happen, they want to place a trade, they want to take a trade off. So patience with trend following is also very important. If you don't have patience, maybe trend following is not for you.